Sorting methods. There are 5 sorting methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are order by descending, then by descending, and reverse. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what does sorting mean. Sorting is the process of managing the data in a particular order. This means, we don't change the data we have. We only rearrange the order of the data, either in ascending order or in descending order. The data will be sorted depending on the data type we have. For example, if we have integer sequence, the order will be integer based. This means, from the smallest to the largest or from the largest to the smallest. If we have strings, the sequence will be sorted in alphabetical order. Using sorting methods we can also sort the data inside a data table. We can sort the data using different columns, and also in both ascending and descending. In summary, we have a data source consisting of different elements. We set a sorting method to sort the data in a specific order. As a result, the same data source will be sorted. This can be either in ascending or descending. This is what does sorting mean.